Okay, still haven't gotten over my files, which were all formatted yesterday. I didn't have any footage from yesterday, but yeah, life goes on. Let's go ahead shooting. By the way, that's ULURU up there, and yeah, we're here for the sunrise viewing, and people are going back. Where are they heading? Let's see how it goes. Could be going somewhere else, but I don't know. Maybe. Ay, video. Pisti. Can you just stand maybe sa sa front sa bush? Face ng kangan to. Bali. Face ano nga rin. Face nga to. Then mo face ng kanasan. Talikod na ko, talikod lang. Okay. Ana. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's sunrise here at ULURU. That's what you see. Half lighting. Sun's there. Our car's there. And yep. I have nothing to say.
No, we looked for so many spots.
Yeah, we went there, went there, but we decided this is a good spot. As a photographer, you want half lighting or anything better, anything interesting. Yeah, I think we need to go now. We're gonna have breakfast again. This is the third day we're gonna have breakfast here. We didn't miss a breakfast, and that's good. Apparently my files, my videos as for yesterday's breakfast was corrupted or formatted by some fellow who didn't know what he was doing, which was me. Anyway, we're heading there. We'll see if I can film some. Let's eat. Okay, it was too late for me to film. Everything's gone. Like gone. Okay, vacation's over, and why is it so dark? Fuck, man. Oh yeah. Okay, holiday's over, and heading back to Melbourne. Yeah, that's it. I hope I can still get my files. I'm maybe photos, but I won't be having a lot of videos. It's a shame. I did a lot of running for the videos, but yeah, that's what happened. Okay, I need to go to the room because we need to get in the bus around 9 o'clock because flight's around 11. Need to be back in Melbourne today. Though I have RDO tomorrow, I'll be working. So, yeah. I'll try to fix my files, which were corrupted. Yeah. Okay, sit here, waiting for the bus on the magazine. Laundry on my back. Ultraviolet rays. I'm just waiting for the bus to arrive now. Finally, the bus is here. We'll be on the bus to Melbourne.
Place your small personal belongings underneath the seat in front of you. And only if your seat is in an exit row or at the back edge, you will need to put all of your personal belongings into the overhead lockers. Please ensure you take care when lowering the armrest. And be reminded that smoking of any kind is not permitted on the aircraft.
Okay, finally, holiday's done. We're heading back to Melbourne right now. It's not that cold. I haven't checked the weather yet, but yeah. So it's quite short, but it was fun, despite the photos being formatted, but it's all good. It's a bit hot here at Northern Territory. back in Melbourne right now, and I guess we're gonna be the last because Laura wants to be the last. We're gonna be the last one out. Yeah. Company. Back to reality. Back to work.
So reality is Melbourne?
Yeah. Let's go. Airport. Out of airport at last. Hindi pwede mo talaga. Hindi ko ral. Nagulan na ako mamasugod ko diya kadang get through eh. No. Wato siya sa entrance para exit.
Para ako next destination.
Kana ko na yung next.
Matay na ko.
Okay.
Kuha na siya ka ng ominous.
Ominous.
Kapila na ko nagsulti ba? Lola na ng last words yun for mamatay. Hindi ako na. Thank you.
Yes, we're here. We're back in Melbourne, and weather is good today. Let's go to the. Where are we gonna go?
F5.
We're gonna. Here. We're gonna go look for some food. We might get Mexican. Mexican, is it? It is, right? She's following me. I'm liking this. Yeah, she hates me so much. I love this. Okay. Yep. I miss you, car. Okay, we're back home safe. Again, we're gonna look for some food, and the vlog ends. The travel vlog ends today. Wish I can still salvage some videos from the other day, which was
A lot.
a lot, and I formatted it.
It was the highlighted
I just
bit.
remembered it. Nah. We're just gonna get something to eat. So, see you next time, guys. Bye.
What do you mean you just remember?
Okay, so what happened was we woke up early and checked out the sunrise at Kalachuta. It was really good. We went closer, we saw some camels, and then the camels were so good, great. They looked good in the photo. So I took some photos, did a video, which was the one I posted, the clip previously. And then we went back home to the hotel to get some breakfast. And after getting breakfast, we got all stuff. We went to the Kings Canyon. I drove around 3 to 4 hours there, had a bit of pit stops, and then arriving there, we also saw this mountain, Mount Ebenezer. I don't know, it was really cool also. So after that, yeah, I drove all the way, and we arrived at the mountain, at the canyon, which was the Kings Canyon. It was around 34 degrees. If it was 36 degrees, nobody's allowed to climb the mountain, so it was good for us. It was still hot though, so we rested in the car, just took a break. Yeah, and then when the clouds came in, we went up. So as soon as we went to the mountain, did a 3 to 4 hour climb around mountain, a hike, and some photos, a lot of videos and everything else. There was a lot of videos. Like I did a lot of running videos. I did some tutorials on hiking and did some reveals, do B-rolls. On the way down, I was so excited to see the parking lot, so I just tried to set the camera to 120p. That way I can do some B-rolls with Laura walking towards the parking lot. And I was clicking the touch screen, and yeah, it just said formatting, okay. It was so quick that it just wiped out that instant. And I was flushed, I was shocked. People were saying there was a dingo around the corner, but I didn't really care. I was just shocked walking straight. My shoes was even wet when I walked through that river. It was a short river crossing. And yeah, it was a bit frustrating, but I got over it quick. That's not me, but that's good enough. And yeah, after that we went back home. It was a heavy thunderstorm on the way back. There was big lightning, but yeah, I tried to recover all the videos. I got them, but they're not in good condition. I can't play some of them. I just played one. I got all the photos, so what you're going to see now are more photos from the trip. And yeah, it's such a shame. I'm not really fond of SD cards. Like, I don't want dual SD cards because I don't need them. And right now, that made me think, if I had dual SD cards, I could have saved some of the videos. But either way, it happened. Lesson learned. Yeah, so just check out the photos that I took that day. Maybe some information I got about it. So let's see how this goes. Yeah. Shit. Oh, by the way, I'm editing this right now, so it's a bit days after. But I'm still trying to recover the videos. I even bought a software. I haven't used my card in around 15 days. My good Sony Tough card, which is somewhere in my bag. But yeah, I think I'm gonna give up. I'm just gonna use the card again and start filming. Yeah, on that day, it felt like I'm okay, but at some point I still want to edit videos. If I can get them in the future, I might as well edit them and put them up. But for now, this goes to the vlog. Okay, gotta move the microphone somewhere else. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.